myself Rakshit Reddy from Bangalore. So I am the purchase manager for Sri Sri Tattva. So that is a brand of Sri Sri Ravishankar Guruji. It's a part of Art of Living Foundation. So we are into almost 600 to 700 products, which includes medicines, cosmetics, daily utilities, and other stuff. So I'm from there. So CMPL, as we all know, it's a very good platform to meet all the private manufacturing, private labeling, and contract manufacturing vendors, as well as the packaging vendors. So this is a very good opportunity to meet with all the top vendors in India and build a good partnership with them and future relationships with them. A very innovative thought. It is very well organized and a very, very good platform for buyers as well as the suppliers.